Hello everyone! So today my package arrived and it is a Sephora package, and I decided, oh my god, and I wanted to open it with you guys. And I feel like my videos are starting to be like more unboxing videos, but I like purchasing items and I needed a few stuff as well. Oh, I don't know if you know this, but Sephora has this point system that if you purchase items, you collect a few points. So I've been collecting a lot of points and I bought 3 items. Hopefully they're here, because sometimes Sephora, when there is like a free item, they don't add it inside sometimes, but it's free, so I can't complain. But hopefully, I'm really hoping that the items that I got are there. Let's stop talking and then let's open this package. So this is what the inside looks like, just brown. Oh, I think everything came. Okay. So I ordered like 3 items and then I got like 3 items for, I don't know, let me just see. Okay, so the first item is this perfume. Like, you get 2 free samples of items, and I got this empty perfume. Maybe it fell. Aw, I'm so sad. Maybe it fell. Aw, okay. Well, that sucks. It's empty. There's no little perfume samples. Okay, the second thing, okay, this one's here. All right, I got this free sample of Sol de Janeiro, I don't know, but this perfume, whenever you purchase items, you usually get 2 free samples, and I got this perfume and an empty one. Maybe it's in here still. And right now Sephora is doing a like free items if you purchase a certain amount of dollars. And I got this samples. And the next, yay! Okay, so the next item is my face mask. I know they're starting to like lift the face mask policy. I always wanted their mask. And yes, the second one is a colorful one. I'm so happy. Okay, then next thing, oh my god, the scrunchies. This is, okay, so oh, it's right here! The perfume! Yes! So anyways, the face mask, the 2 face masks and the scrunchies, I got these because of my point. The 2 items that I actually purchased were this eye cream, caffeine eye cream from the Inky List. I'm using their retinol cream at night, and it seems to be working. So I bought a eye cream for me and my sister. And then I got this a Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate Glow Dream Mask. And I don't know if you guys watch this YouTuber by the name of Hiram. YouTuber by the name of Hiram, and he raves about how much he loves using Youth to the People. So I was looking around, and I saw that Youth to the People has a cream specifically for dry skin. I have combination dry skin, but right now it's summer, so it gets a lot more dry. I bought this face mask, and it's recommended to use at night, and which is good because in the mornings I feel like my face is very dry and it gets itchy. So I'm excited to try this, and I'll let you know if it's worth the price, because it was a tad bit pricey. Let me see how much it was. Okay, it doesn't say, but it was really pricey. So yes, so I'm so excited that all my items arrived, even my little sample perfume. I like to use these free perfumes because buying like the big ones, they're a little pricey, and I much rather buy pricey like face stuff than perfumes. And I've been like purchasing a lot of like face products. Okay, and I've been purchasing a lot of face products, so every time they have a like free sample of perfumes, I like to purchase them. I don't know how it smells. Okay, so now I'm just gonna open this item. Okay, so what is inside? Okay, let me just open it. This is cute Ziploc bag. There's a lot of sample items too. I'm so excited. First Aid Beauty Fab Pure Skin Face Cleanser. Next product is Glow Green SPF 40 Super Goop. Super Goop. Actually, I've been wanting to try this out from Super Goop. I haven't actually read any reviews, but I'm just nervous that it might not work. So I'm glad that they gave me the sample size so I could try it out. I've been using the Weightless Liquid Mineral Sunscreen with zinc oxide, the First Aid Beauty one. But thing is, they have a, like, every time I use my mask, it leaves this brown mark. I don't really know what it's called, but like, it leaves like a brown tint finish, and I don't like that. So hopefully this one works great with a mask. Next item is, it's a lot of items, holy cow. The Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, another cleanser. As long as it's not drying, I'm good. But I don't really have an opinion on this one, so I'm excited to try that one. Ooh, this packaging is pretty. St. Jane Luxury Beauty Serum. So tiny too. But dang, the packaging is beautiful. Holy cow. Another one is this serum. It's a serum, right? Biosonic Squalene Tea Tree Balancing Oil. It's so tiny. Holy cow. Okay. I'm excited to try all these. I really hope my face does not freak out. And Tatcha, the Liquid Silk Canvas. Ooh. And then this one is, what are you? Clinique. Oh, I remember using Clinique. Personally, it doesn't look like it does anything for me, but I'm glad it's a sample size. And this looks different and unique and weird and nice. It says Custom Blend Hydration System. Hydrate Clearing Jelly. Ooh. And then the second one, Active Carnage. Push the red one on top, and then you mix them up, and then you use it both, and then you mix it and then you put it together. Oh, that's so weird. Okay, I'm excited to try this one. Next one. Ooh, Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Exfoliant and Body Treatment. I'm excited to try this. Okay, I'm excited to try all of these. It's a one towel. It's a towel. The next one is Clinique. Oh, it looks like the packaging, it looks gross. Like it's been there for a while. Clearing gel. Okay. Okay, results as good as deleting topical prescription and clearing acne. Okay, okay, and that's it. I like the Ziploc bag. I'm gonna keep it. It's really cute. And last one is the Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. Ooh, simple, gentle, effective. Wish list. Oh my god. Healthy glow, retexturing, brightening, even skin tone. Okay, I'm excited to try this one too. Ooh, and 2 of them. Nice. I'm so happy. Look, 2. Okay, I'm gonna open this next. Okay, so there's exactly the same, but I'm gonna open the colorful ones. The colorful one. Does it say wash? It doesn't say anything. All right. Wow. It doesn't have the chemical scent to it, but I should wash it after. I'm gonna try it right now. So how do you? Oh, it has a little bent on the nose. That's nice. So this is how you put it on, and it has a little hook here. Here's a close-up of it. It's very soft. It looks like it's a 2-ply, like this material and this material. I feel like I would have to wear another mask to feel more secure, but I'm gonna clean that after I used it. Wow. But no, seriously, I am gonna clean it. Next is this face mask. Same thing, 2-ply, 2 layers, and it does have the little like wire thing to fit your nose. Okay, okay. And then it's like this. It's a little bit big, but I like it. What else? Oh, and the scrunchies. I'm so excited. And it comes with 2. Ooh, and they're soft too. That's nice. This green one and this black and white polka dot one. Okay, so I've been starting to like a lot more polka dot colors. Oh, as you can see, obviously polka dot, polka dot. I don't know why. Not polka dot colors, like the polka dot style for some reason. I mean, they're scrunchies, so that's nice. And those 2, and it was free, so it was nice. I'm gonna put it right here. Here, ooh, dang, this one has a grip. It has this grip right here that holds the perfume, so nice. And then you can put it back in. but I'm not gonna do that. And I don't want to put it on my body right now, so I'm just gonna spray it right here. Ooh, smells fresh. Cold, oh my god. It smells very fresh and calm. That's nice. I've been wanting like perfumes for every day. I have perfumes when I go to like the parties or something like that. I was about to say clubs. I don't go to clubs. But yeah, it's very fresh and smooth. Yeah, smooth and calm. And then this one that I thought I lost, Salt. Ooh, I'm excited. Alice Brooklyn. Elise Brooklyn. No, Alice Brooklyn. It smells soft. It smells nice. It smells like you're in the beach, if that makes sense. It doesn't smell too strong either. It's nice. It's nice. It's called Salt. Ooh, that's a unique name. Okay, okay. I'm so happy that all my items arrived. Even the free sample ones. Okay, so I'm gonna open this Inky List. Holy cow, it's so tiny. Like, what? Look at this. Ooh, so this is how it looks. I don't remember, I think it was like $10. And in the review section, there's a lot of positive reviews, so I wanted to try it out. So yes, that is it for my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like these types of unboxing video, hit that like button so I could know. And hit subscribe to get more of my content. And hit that bell notification to know when I upload. I'm going to start using my YouTube shorts for these sample videos. Just because I like filming the process, but I don't want to make it a big series or a long video. I didn't know that you can make the YouTube shorts up to a minute. My first video is like 15 seconds. But yes, I'm also gonna, and if you don't want to look at my YouTube shorts, I have a TikTok. I'm gonna basically put the same video on TikTok, testing these creams out. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yes, I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.